You want to use this oil or maybe coconut? Just coconut oil is here. We are preparing our breakfast. We're gonna have potatoes, eggs with potatoes. We're gonna add a lot of garlic. So, let's try. Nag-ulan, Lenlen?
Lenlen! Lenlen!
Yummy ah.
Yummy.
Yummy. Is it yummy, Yuri?
Yummy!
Don't shout. Don't scream. Yummy potato?
Yeah.
And you're also eating Milo here? You like Milo? You want rice on your Milo? Where did you learn eating Milo? At Lemlem's house, yeah?
No! It's mine!
Ang aking mga spinach dito ay ready to harvest na yung iba. No? Sobrang tataba nito. Walang fertilizer to. Organic to lahat. Yung iba naman, maliliit pa. To. Mag-harvest ako mamaya, guys. Ilalagay natin sa tinola or igigis ako. Ang mga basil naman doon na tinanim ko ay yung iba naman ay tumubo na ng lumaki na. Yung iba ay ito naman, parang ito parang namatay to. Yung iba, malalaki na. Diba? Ayan na, namulaklak na ang ating mga sweet peppers, mga atchal dito. No? Kinuha ko pala yung first niyang bulaklak. Ito oh. Tutubo na to at magiging atchal na. Oh my god, I'm so excited na maging atchal na sila. Yung iba naman, ayan, hindi tumubo yung iba dyan. Hindi masyadong natamaan ng araw dyan. Dito, lumaki sila kasi lagi silang natatamaan ng araw dito banda. Ayan. Patuloy ang pagtrabaho sa aming garage. Nakalagay na sila ng mga poste. Tatambakan pa nila dyan. We're going to the city, to Dumaguete City, guys. Because we're going to buy groceries. We don't have supply anymore. Bye-bye, Lemlem. We'll come back later. Open. Welcome to Robinson's.
My chicken.
Your chicken Jollibee. Don't look here, Yuri. Don't look at this side. Let's go there first. Bring your drone. Papaayos namin yung drone ni Dimitri kasi nahulog niya, nasira. May daw sila dito, official repair store ng DJI. Repair shop, I mean. Maybe they're not here anymore.
Some repair shop.
No more repair shop there, I know.
Or some store.
Repair should be somewhere just here. We cannot find a DJI shop here, repair shop.
Maybe you
Let's take a photo for... Punta kami ng Department of Foreign Affairs, magkukuha kami ng passport ni Yuri, pero sa ano na, sa Monday na siguro. Picturean ko lang yung mga requirements dito. Minor requirements.
Look, this is new.
This one. New applicant, PSA, birth certificate, marriage contract, school ID. He doesn't have school ID because he's still 2 years old. Don't go to school. Acceptable ID of birth. I have ID. I have passport.
So we have everything.
Yeah, maybe we come here. What do you like? Story. He likes Monster Truck. This one. We're going to buy groceries here. Yeah, we will pay first. We gotta pay first. Let's go. Next time. Playground next time. We're gonna bring your bike to the shop. Repair shop. Let's go bring your bike to the repair shop. Come on. Yeah, bridge. Look up. We buy that next time. Next time, okay? Careful.
A few moments later.
Magluluto ako ng paksiw, guys. Paksiw na isda. Kasi isa ito sa paboritong kainin ni Yuri. Gustong gusto niya ang paksiw. Nilagyan ko nitong kamyas kasi masarap to sa paksiw din. Oh, nakalimutan kong lagyan ng kamatis. So, wait lang. Ayan na, nilagyan ko ng kamatis, sibuyas na dahon, at saka siling haba. Siling spada. Siling spada tawag namin dito sa Visayas. Visayas tong ganitong sili. Wow, ang sarap. So yummy.
How many?
So many?
4.
Give me. That's not 4, that's 2. Your nails so dirty. Let's clean your nails, cut.
No.
Oh, so dirty finger. Magandang hapon, everyone. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo?
Listening karaoke.
Ano ang pangalan mo?
I'm listening karaoke.
Unsay mo ngalan? I'm asking you what's your name. And you said I'm listening karaoke.
I'm like your chickadee boy. What's your name? I'm eating.
May nagkakaraoke dito sa aming kapitbahay, guys. Pero malayo-layo dun sa taas. Kasi ano ngayon, fiesta ngayon dito sa amin, sa Baslay. Uy, Yuri is so sad. Fiesta ngayong araw, may imbitasyon kami kanina pero di kami pumunta kasi ano, may ginagawa si Dimitri kanina, may tinatrabaho siya. At ako naman ay wala ako sa mood ngayong mga araw na ito. Yuri!
Дай бой, печеньку.
Hi! Yuri just woke up from his nap, that's why he's not in the mood. Right? You're not in the mood, right? Focus. It's sobrang fresh dito sa bukid. Ayan, wala nang tao dyan sa aming kubo. Nakakamiss yung maraming tao dyan sa kubo. Wala na yung family. Umuwi na sila ng Bohol. It's not cold. I like it. It's perfect. Windy. Baka, what's your name? What's your name? Baka, what's your name? Baka, what's your name? Baka, what's your name? No, don't be Hi guys, good morning. Magandang umaga everyone. Nandito kami ni Yuri sa likod ng aming bahay kasi gagawa na naman kami ng isang garden bed dito. Gusto kong tamnan dito ng mga pet shop. Ayan si Yuri guys, tinutulungan niya akong gumawa ng garden bed dyan. Nandito din pala yung kalamansian namin dyan, dito banda. And tapos dyan gusto kong tamnan ng pet shop. At lilinisin ko pa yan dyan kasi ang dami pang mga kahoy-kahoy, mga kalat-kalat. Ang lupa namin dito, maganda yung klase na lupa, pero ang ayaw ko is ang daming mga ugat-ugat na ganito. I think mga ugat to ng mga niyog kasi nga yung lupa namin ay napapulibutan ng mga niyog. Daming ganito. Kaya kinukuha ko to pag gumagawa ako ng garden, kinukuha ko talaga. Play with your car. Later guys, because your chick is hungry, we'll go eat. You want to go to the gym?
No.
When you grow up, when you become a big boy like Papa, you will go to the gym? Yeah? You will go to the gym with Papa?
Wait.
Corned beef, Filipino breakfast.
Wait. Cheese?
Yuri, I'm gonna cook that egg. Don't play with egg, okay? Yuri, no, nahulog na ng egg na ko. Ayan. So, ayan, ready na ang aming breakfast ni Yuri. Filipino breakfast. That's it. Papa is back from the gym. How's your workout, Papa? Okay guys, so ito yung namin. Ito yung plan namin sa aming area. So, papalagyan namin ng cement dyan. Pathways, cement pathways. Cement, this is cement, right? Or some tiles? Yeah, cement pala to. Tapos, yung silong namin ay papa-close. Yan ang design ng silong. Lalagyan na, hollow blocks yung i-cover niya, tapos lalagyan ng parang tiles na may stone na design para maganda tingnan. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ayan yung magiging mukha ng aming bahay. Tapos, may pathways din patungo doon sa aming payag, sa aming kubo. At ito naman dito, patungo to sa aming garage. Pero, ang plano namin dito, tong pathway na patungo sa garage, ipa-plain lang namin to na cement para makapag-bike si Yuri dito. Kasi pag ganito parang hagdan-hagdan, hindi mahirapan si Yuri na mag-bike.
No, it's not white color.
Yeah. Yung silong namin sa likod, guys, sa likod papapalagyan namin ng door. Para yung sa loob ay gagawin naming storage.
Don't put me.
Ayan, oh. Ayan na ang mukha. Pero ano pa to, guys? May plan na. May design na, pero wala pa kaming budget actually. Wala pang budget. Kulang pa yung budget namin, guys. So, sana mag-ano pa kayo. Magpatuloy kayong manood sa aming mga vlogs. At patuloy nyo kaming suportahan sana, guys. Para makatulong din ako kay Dimitri na makatulong ako kay Dimitri na makabayad sa magkaroon kami ng budget para dito. Kulang pa yung budget namin. Kasi may pinapatrabaho pa kaming kalsada, tapos may garage pa. Tapos next naman, ito naman yung next project namin. Kailangan pa namin ng budget. Ito pala yung ano namin, guys, yung contractor namin, RKD Custom Builders, Construction Services. Ano lang sila sa Candaw-ay, Dumaguete City. Yan ang phone number. Just in case may gusto dyan magpatayo ng bahay or may ipapagawa. Yan. Mas maganda siyang tingnan pag ganyan, diba? Parang lumaki yung bahay namin sa the design na to na ipa-close yung silong. What's the size of this? 6 by 6? 6 by 6 ne? Sobrang laki pala. It's so big. It can be like a house already. 5 by 6 ni una, then yung gipa-adjust, no? 5 by 6. Why you want it big?
But now it's 6,
Yeah, 6 by 6. Why do you want it more big? For what?
Because 5 meters can be not enough room for 2 cars and bike.
We have 2 cars?
I'm just thinking for future if you will make second
Maybe we'll buy truck.
bungalow for rent, somebody will have a car and let's go.
Ah, yeah.
And
They can also park here.
for we don't make again another work, just extend for 1 meter.
And but for now we can use it like
And also I want
for your gym
for now,
equipment.
yeah, I want to bigger because I can use it. I want to buy some equipment.
Some dumbbells.
Yeah, and put on the roof. So
And
it's
weights.
no car, bike, and enough space
For your gym, for gym.
and maybe put some.
Let's go to our right of way. I-check natin yung ano nila doon, trabaho nila. Sabi ni Dimitri, may sinimento na daw sila doon. Tatambakan pa pala to dito ng mga bato, balasan na kuya? Mga ito dito guys, so sinimento nila yung sa bawat gilid para pag umulan hindi maanod yung mga tinambak. Ayan. Tapos dyan sa may gitna lalagyan ng culvert, yung tawag doon imburnal, para pag umulan dadaan lang yung tubig.
Иди помоги, малыш. Go help. Да?
Where's my gloves?
See this coconut, very
Where's my gloves?
Very what?
Where's my gloves? Where's my gloves? Oh, they also want his gloves. Ay!
Kamusta?
Say hi na. Sobrang natatakot talaga ako dito sa ano na itong mga niyog na to. Let's go na, Dem! Let's go, Papa! Yuri! Let's go! Very dangerous. Kawawa yung mga workers dito. Hoy, simbako. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! You're chick. You're not allowed in there. Not allowed. Susubukan naming kausapin ulit yung may-ari ng niyog na to guys. Baka pumayag na sila na ano namin to. Ipapagabas. Let's go na. Go home na kay that's very dangerous there.
Bumini.
Let's go. Baka is thirsty. She wants to drink. So ito lang, dito lang yung lupa. I think it's including, this one is including or no? This here.
I think what how to clean.
Like that to the... Yeah, so ito lang yung lupa
I
namin.
think even this pounds.
Itong ano,
Pounds is border.
border itong mga niyog na to. Ito nilinisan sa asawa ni Lenlen. Ito yung, dito start yung lupa namin, patungo dun sa may likuran, sa may kawayan. Tapos dyan sa may malapit na sa bahay nila Lenlen. And then going there, this is 7,157 square meters.
I think nobody wants.
Like maybe let's buy that. Maybe they will sell that cheap. So we can cut these numbers and just put like so fresh ang hangin. Yung mga langka namin dito guys. Oh. Namunga na pala yung mga ano namin, mga langka. Yung mga langka namin dito sa may border ng aming lupa. daming langka, no? Ito, oh. Nilagyan ng asawa ni Linden dito ng sako para hindi siya kainin ng mga ibon. Magka-harvest kami niyan soon. Iyan, malaki na sana yan kaso nahulog.
Fish is her and your favorite.
Fish is your chick and Baka's favorite.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
The name of fish.
Yeah, very good, Limlem.
I want
Do you want inununan, Yuri?
No, I'm drinking tuta.
Hello.